Welcome back to the AI series. Today we explore, how does AI actually learn? How does an AI actually learn? Let's look at a simple math problem. Suppose we ask the AI, what is 2 plus 2? At first, the AI has no idea. It might guess a completely wrong answer, like 7. We tell the AI the goal is 4. This creates an error. We can visualize this error as a bar. The bigger the bar, the more wrong the AI is. The AI looks at the error and tries to improve. Its next guess might be 5. It's still wrong, but it's closer. This is a loop. The AI guesses, calculates the error, and adjusts its internal brain. Watch how the error rate drops as it gets closer to the correct answer. This 4-step cycle is the heart of machine learning. Input data, make a guess, calculate the error, and improve the brain. Repeat this millions of times, and you get AI. This works for everything. In image recognition, if an AI thinks a cat is a dog, it gets feedback, adjusts its internal connections, and eventually recognizes the cat perfectly. AI doesn't start smart. It starts with zero knowledge and learns by reducing its error, one step at a time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.